Alright, so as you can see, just got finished cleaning it up. Yeah, Daryl, my fellow YouTubers and fellow viewers. This is the cleanup part of the rebirth of XJ Maul. In this video, I'm going to be showing you just how I just cleaned up my Jeep, just to get it looking better for the driveway and get me more motivated to working on it. I remember this Jeep as being really clean and really eye-popping with the red, so it's kind of disheartening to see it with all this dirt and grime on it. So basically in this video, all I'm going to do is be pressure washing it, getting all the mold and mildew off of it, getting all the sticks off of it, and so forth. It's going to be really quick. So starting with the exterior, I'm going to be spraying some mold and mildew remover off there. It's basically the Purple Power or Mean Green stuff you can buy from your local store. After that, I'm going to let it soak for a while and then pressure wash it on off. It worked really well. I'm excited to work on it some more, and I like that I can see the red popping again in the sunlight. So there you go. Pressure washed it, put some of that mold and mildew remover on there. Got quite a shine back on it. Still probably go through and hand wash it again. Do a once over on it. Put some tire shine on it, blah blah blah. Got in here. Vacuum it out just a little bit. I didn't show you guys the inside too much, but it was filthy in here. But I vacuumed it out just enough so I could get in and out without breathing in smoke, dust, or whatever else. But yeah, overall I think it looks a lot better. Still got some stuff in here. I need to clean out a bunch of leaves or bird nest that was in there and whatnot. That's your engine. I'll start by doing a compression test. I already got a couple of spark plugs taken out, most of them anyways. Start by doing a compression test, and I'll do a leak down test. And I work my way to other parts and see if I can figure anything out with this engine here. I believe it's the head though, because like I said, I got it overheated. And yeah, I kind of just did some stupidity there. But nonetheless, clean. Still got some dirt down in here. I might clean out after I finish messing with the engine and stuff. But now the outside is clean. It's a motivating factor for me to look at something that's clean, look like it's worth fixing. The top right there, you see it's faded. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it black again. I'm going to give me a vinyl to go across the top, either with Maul or my photography company to go across there. May do one on the front, one on the back. We'll see. But till next time, see when I see you. Next video will be diagnosis of the engine. I'm going to probably take the battery out of my truck, not that truck, but my other truck, and do a compression test, leak down test, and see where we go. Other than that, see you next time.